Bonjour, soyez bienvenue à Learn French with Sonia. Hello, you're welcome back to Learn French with Sonia. Today we're going to be studying the greetings in French. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les salutations en français. Let's dive right into it. Bonjour is the most common French greeting. Now, before we continue, I want to tell you the literal meaning of bonjour. Bonjour means good day, not hello, not good morning. Bon means good. Jour means day. So you put bon and jour together, it will give you good day and not hello and not even good morning. Okay? If you want to say good morning literally is bon matin. Nobody says that actually. What we say is bonjour. Bonjour. Alright? Now, bonjour is both formal and informal. Yes. You can say bonjour to your boss. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. You can say bonjour to your classmate. You can say bonjour to your colleague at work. You can say bonjour to that's your best vendor in the market. Bonjour, madame. Do you understand? Saying bonjour shows you are polite. Yes, being respectful. Bonjour tout le monde, good morning everybody, or hello everybody. Yes, because you can use bonjour in so many situations, and it can mean good morning and it can also mean hello. Number 2, salut, not salut. Salut. Now, why is it salut and not salut? It is salut because salut is informal. Yes, salut is informal. Salut simply means hi or bye. Now, you don't say salut in a formal setting. No, salut is simply between you and your colleague. Yes, not a senior colleague actually, but more like your immediate colleague or a junior colleague, but a senior colleague who everybody in the firm or in the company accords so much respect. You can't just say salut to them. That's very informal. But you can say salut to the girl that runs errands for you. You can say salut to your immediate co-workers. You can say salut to your classmates. You can say salut to your friends. Okay? For example, you can say salut Marie, salut les amis, salut maman, salut sœurette, and so on and so forth. So salut is mostly used in informal settings with people that you're familiar with. You can meet a stranger and also say salut, you understand, but you do not say salut to you don't say salut in formal settings. Do you understand? Let's continue. The third one says bonsoir or bonsoir. Yes, you should know when to say bonsoir and you should also know when to say bonsoir. Yes, bonsoir is both formal and informal. Yes, you can say bonsoir to your boss, you can say bonsoir to your friend, you can say bonsoir to your mother, to your siblings. What does bonsoir mean? Bonsoir simply means good evening. It simply means good evening. So do well to take note. So for example, you can say bonsoir monsieur, bonsoir madame, bonsoir tout le monde, bonsoir les amis. Let's continue. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit simply means good night. Yes. Bonne nuit simply means good night. Bonne, good. Nuit, night. Now, bonne nuit is usually used when someone is going to bed. Bonne nuit is usually used when someone is going to bed. When you are going to bed, you can say bonne nuit maman, bonne nuit papa. Now, you don't use bonne nuit because you probably arrived at a restaurant by 8 p.m. You don't say bonne nuit tout le monde when you just walk in. No. You can say bonne nuit or you say bonne nuit when you're leaving, beating everyone there, or beating your friends, or beating the person that served you, bidding them good night, not when you're walking, but rather when you're leaving. Okay, so do not say bonne nuit when you just meet somebody. Salut, bonne nuit, or bonne nuit. No, you say bonsoir. Then when you're about leaving the person, due to the fact that it's already late, you understand, then you say bonne nuit, you're bidding them good night, and then you're leaving their presence. Or when you're going to bed immediately, you can say bonne nuit and then you go straight to bed. Okay, let's continue. Now, this one might surprise you, but yes, that's the reason we are here. I'll be breaking down all these greetings for you. The next one here says au revoir. It might surprise you to know that au revoir doesn't mean goodbye or bye. No, no. The literal meaning of au revoir is see you again, or until we see again. Yes, revoir means see again. Au revoir, till we see again. Okay, but yes, in French you say au revoir when you want to bid someone goodbye, and that's how it has been. So au revoir simply means goodbye. Okay, we're not using the literal meaning, but I'm breaking it down for you so that when you say something, you know what you're saying, and when you use it, you know why this thing is being used this way. Do you understand? Au revoir maman, for example. Au revoir papa. Au revoir sœurette. Au revoir mon frère. Okay, now au revoir can be used in both formal and informal situations or settings. Okay, you can use au revoir formally or informally. You can say au revoir to your boss. It is not disrespectful. You can say au revoir to your preparatress. You can say au revoir to your professor. It is not disrespectful. And you can say au revoir to your friends. Yes, it's very much informal, and you can use it, like I said, both in formal and informal situations. The next one here says à bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. See you soon. And see you soon is both formal and informal. À bientôt monsieur. À bientôt madame. À bientôt Sonia. And then the next one says à demain. À demain. À demain simply means see you tomorrow. Demain means tomorrow. So à demain is see you tomorrow, or till we meet tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So you can say à demain in a formal setting or in a formal situation, and you can say à demain in an informal situation. Do you understand? The last one here says à plus tard. À plus tard, which simply means see you later. À plus tard chérie. À plus tard maman. À plus tard mon amour. It means see you later. And see you later, it can be used both formally and informally. À plus tard monsieur. See you later sir. À plus tard madame. See you later ma. À plus tard mon ami, or à plus tard mon ami, it simply means see you later my friend. And we have come to the end of today's topic. If there is anything you do not understand, please let me know in the comment section, or I will definitely reply to all your comments. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.